Hello guys, in this tutorial I will be showing you how I made this neck piece. This is hand crochet neck piece, and I did not put how I made the rope because I've already showed that on my previous tutorial where I show how I made this maxi gown you are seeing on the screen. So before you go to watch how to make this rope, please watch this video to the end before you go and watch how to make this rope, because watching this video to the end will help the algorithm to push this video more. You first watch this, you understand the things you need, you understand how to make it, then you go and watch how to make the rope, then you come back to make it. But please watch this first. This is the rope that is remaining from the maxi dress I made on YouTube. I use hand crochet design to make the strap. So this remaining rope, I want to use it to make a neck piece. What you need for this tutorial, you need your gum. It can be any brand, it's okay. So you need your jewelry lock. This one is called end cord crimp. I'll put the name in the screen. I can't remember. I don't really know what is. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. So I'll put the name in the screen. Then this one is called jewelry claps. And this one is called end cord crimp. I will leave this part long like this. Then I will knot here. Just take a look at what I'm doing. Knot. Then you see, as I folded it, then I'll take it, I'll put it in. You see? Then I'll put my hand here. Then I'll take it, then I'll put it in. It's hand crochet. Then I'll put my hand, I will take it in. Then I'll put my hand, and you see this is hoop. I put my hand, you see my hand. Then I'll pick this, you see this, I'll pick it this way. Then I'll take it in. I'll do once more. I'll put my hand here, I'll take it, I'll bring it out. But this time, I'll bring all out. Then after doing it like this, then you decide how long you want your neck piece to be. So this length is okay for me. I'll cut this off. You see? So I'll take my thread and needle. Then I'll fold this place a bit like this. When you put it straight like this, you will have extra in the side. For you not to have extra in the side, what you do, you fold this place in, and you fold this place in, then you sew it. Then after sewing it, then I will take my gum. I'll put gum here. Then I'll put it like this. Then I'll crimp it. Then I will do the same to this way. Put just a little gum. Then I'll put it like this. Then you see, my neck piece is ready, you see. Then I will lock it. You see, the neck piece is ready. It's very beautiful and very simple and easy to make. You can make this for your friends and for your loved ones. You can make this to sell. You see, very simple, at the same time very beautiful.